Do you have a speech that's 10 minutes long that you have to deliver this week? If so, this video is for you. I'm Mario Leone, Toastmaster International member, National Speakers Association former member. Here I am. I'm going to help you. You have a speech coming up. It's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes long. You have about a week to work on it. We're going to learn the 3-point technique. You're giving 3 points in your speech. The positions and where you stand on stage are going to be different every time. The very first position where you stand will be the far left. You'll deliver the first point. The first point is the problem. The second point is in the center of the stage, and the center of the stage focuses on the turning point of your story. The third position on stage is the solution. Now, does it have to be problem, turning point, solution? No. You can simply just make 3 points. And where you stand is actually going to help you remember what you need to say. That's the beauty of it. So when you practice this at home, you can practice in front of one person. Move from point 1 to point 2 to point 3. You start at position number 1. You make your point. You walk to the second position and make your point number 2. And you walk to your third position and make your point number 3. What does this look like? It's very straightforward. If we're talking about sports, the first point would be training builds discipline. Teamwork creates champions. And resilience wins the game. When you stand in 3 different places, it's going to help your memory. And if you practice this way at home, you can start with one person. And something you can do to overcome your fears when you're giving speeches is have one person in the room already, that one person that you're giving the speech to. And in the next room, there's going to be 5 people. And you're going to have one person come in and sit down every 1 minute. Every 1 minute, a new person will walk in and sit down and get engaged. The purpose of this is twofold. It's to train you to stay focused and not distracted. That's the first key point. The second aspect of it is if you're nervous around a lot of people, as each person comes in, it's going to slowly help you dip your toe into that fear until you conquer it. So each person that comes in and sits down is going to be adding a little bit more onto that nervousness. So you have to train yourself to breathe through it. Now, it does help to have a bottle of water on stage because you could always pause, drink, and go from there. Pauses will allow you to make eye contact with people. When you pause on your point, you can make eye contact. And there are 3 points of eye contact. You can make eye contact with 3 people in the room. Random, whoever you decide. Now, you don't have to do that, but you make the audience feel like you're connecting with them. That's the beauty of the 3-point technique. That's all I got to say for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Mario Leone, Voices of Victory. Take care.